Hello, I'm Blake with City Utilities. As your community-owned utility, we're committed to helping you save money and live better. Today we're walking through everything inside your Smart Solutions kit, what each item does, and how to use it. Let's start with one of the easiest energy upgrades you can make, switching to an LED light bulb. LED light bulbs provide even light in all directions and can last up to 10 years. They use significantly less energy than traditional bulbs and generate less heat. Simply replace any older non-LED bulb with this LED to start saving immediately. An LED costs about $2 a year to run. An old incandescent? Closer to $8. That's $6 saved every year for every bulb. One small change can have big long-term savings. Drafts around windows and doors can quietly increase your energy bill. This closed-cell foam weather stripping tape is peel and stick. Apply it anywhere you see or feel air coming in, around windows, door frames, or anywhere daylight is visible. It helps seal out drafts, prevent heat loss in winter, and keep cool air inside during the summer. Weather stripping around doors and windows can trim roughly 5 to 15% off your heating and cooling use annually. This is as if you are closing a bunch of tiny windows you didn't know you had open. Check out this Wi-Fi smart socket. Plug this into a standard outlet, then plug in a lamp, appliance, or electronic. Download the associated app to control, schedule, and monitor usage directly from your phone. This helps reduce unnecessary energy use and gives you better visibility into your home's energy habits. This shower head uses 1.25 gallons per minute. A standard older shower head can use up to 2.5 gallons per minute, which is double the amount of water. To install, simply unscrew your existing shower head and hand tighten this one in place. It features a non-aerated stream which helps reduce temperature loss while lowering both water and energy use. You'll use less water without sacrificing performance. This shower timer is designed to help keep showers to about 5 minutes. Shorter showers reduce both water use and energy required to heat that water. A small habit change can lead to measurable savings over time. 5 minutes makes a difference. This temperature gauge helps you monitor your water heater setting. Energy Star recommends 120 degrees as the ideal temperature setting. If your water heater is set too high, you may be using more energy than necessary. Monitoring the temperature can help ensure safe, efficient operation. Silent toilet leaks can waste significant amounts of water. To test, place this toilet leak detecting strip in the tank and wait about 15 minutes. If the water turns blue without flushing, you likely have a leak that needs to be repaired. Detecting leaks early can prevent higher water bills. These faucet aerators reduce water flow up to 1.5 gallons per minute while maintaining a strong stream. They're easy to install by simply twisting onto your existing faucet. Using less hot water reduces the energy needed to heat it. These child safety caps improve safety in your home and can help reduce minor drafts from unused outlets. Simply press them into any unused outlet on an external wall for added protection. Each of these items may seem small on their own, but together they can make a meaningful difference in your home's energy and water use. And that's what Smart Solutions is all about. Practical tools that help you save money and live better. To learn more about Smart Solutions and other programs available to you, visit cityutilities.net.